Pakistan is a strong and consistent supporter of multilateralism, with the UN at the center to effectively address the global challenges of peace and security. Peacekeeping remains the pivotal tool to achieve this objective. Pakistan's participation in UN peacekeeping is the most tangible demonstration of our commitment to the UN and a practical way of reaffirming our abiding faith in the purposes and principles of the UN Charter. For close to 6 decades, despite our own challenges, we have contributed and provided personnel, assets, training, and financing for UN peacekeeping. We are also host to one of the earliest UN peacekeeping missions, the UN Military Observer Group in India and Pakistan. This continues to play an invaluable role in a volatile and fraught environment. Mr. President, peacekeeping has over the years evolved from single-dimensional monitoring to multi-dimensional mandates, as recognized by Resolution 2086, adopted under Pakistan's presidency of the Council. Pakistan's credentials as among the largest and most consistent TCCs are well established. We have an elaborate system of training which has been institutionalized through the establishment of the Center for International Peace and Stability, known as CIPS, which was inaugurated by the then Secretary General Ban Ki-moon. At the recently held Peacekeeping Ministerial, in addition to personnel and assets, we have also offered peacekeeping competencies of the Center to other TCCs. Pakistan is also participating in the relatively recent initiative of training the trainers program.